and some the other CBDC. And now I would like to share the audience about some of the article on the clip. They want to share about what is the privacy coin, because some of the audience people still don't know about the privacy coin, like Xeonbit, like vulnerability getting less explanation. Yeah, because like the other cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, they also have the blockchain, and on from the blockchain, the other people can review the blockchain, can do the chain analysis, can know who sent the coin, who keep the coin. Like previously, we share to our audience about one of the wallet of the whales, and we can see the whale can buy and sell crypto during the price crash recently last month. And now we come back to the explanation of the privacy coin. Some of crypto, this is a cryptocurrency called privacy coin like Xeonbit, and this coin is one of the privacy coin, and this can be popular for ransomware and other illicit use. Yeah, this way people will think, oh, if someone use the privacy coin, they may have some hidden activity. Yeah. That's why the privacy coin and not some of the privacy coin they don't use much nowadays. Yeah, and because the privacy coin is help the owner, they can get the privacy from some curious eye and look into their address. That's why yeah.
It's almost like when you meet your friend, and then or maybe you got to know a new girl, and then this girl want to look at your wallet. Oh, how much money you have in the wallet? Yeah, so high privacy coin means the public cannot see the amount of coin inside this particular wallet, you know. Yeah, so someone asked me yesterday, why didn't you make XMB public? Yeah, XMB is public. No, he probably misunderstood the privacy part. Yeah, so he thought, wow, high privacy means you keep it to yourself, you don't let the public know. No, yeah, so like Richard has mentioned, high privacy, people can't see the amount you have in a wallet. Yeah, so it's not because the coin has not gone public or not gone into the public for people to buy sell. Yeah, so that is just a little bit a little tune to the privacy part that people might misunderstood. Yeah.
Yeah. You can see they says how the privacy coin work. Of course, in the privacy coin now, they work at the user still address. It's look like when we see the explorer of our privacy coin, you can see that we can see all the transaction, but we don't know the receiving address. That's why that's the reason. That's the purpose of the privacy coin. They use the still address to hide the amount of your coin. It's like Mr. Nicholas just now shared to our audience. When you don't want the girl see into your wallet, yeah, you use the privacy coin, because if you show to your girl, oh, I have this address belongs to me, the girl will, oh, whoa, this guy has so many BTC.
I want to help him spend the money.
yeah. That's why the privacy coin have its own purpose. However, there are two sides of the coin. some of the other, they can use the coin for some of illegal activity. Of course, it's not good for the community. That's why beside the right beside the public coin, that means the chain-present coin like Bitcoin and the other coin, they can use the third-party service like the mixing service. They can use the coin choice to mix up, to don't let the other know who send the coin to who. Yeah, that's one of the services for the privacy coin. And in this article, share to have some explanation about the privacy coin and what the future of the privacy coin. Yeah. I also don't know the future of the privacy coin because uh, based on so many regulators nowadays, because some of the people, they use the privacy coin so that the IRS, United States Internal Revenue Service, they want to see your wallet to know how many cryptocurrency you have, so they can ask you to payment for the tax. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, and it's raised a lot of question. It's take a lot of sweat from the IRS
Yeah.
to checking the cryptocurrency. Yeah, and now we see uh, with
Okay,
the
let me add a little bit thing. Like Richard has mentioned, coins like Monero, Zcash, Dash, and Xeonbit were all privacy coin.
yeah
Yeah. So the thing is, some people say, oh, because it's high privacy, so there's a high possibility that you guys are using it for illegal transaction, or maybe you sell guns, or you sell poison, or you sell whatever. Yeah, but let's bring this into fiat and
yeah
compare, right?
yeah
So in crypto, Bitcoin is very popular, right? It's just like US dollar is very popular.
yeah
Yeah. So high privacy coins are some fiat dollar that nobody know. Yeah. So but you must understand, for the last how many years? For the last 200 years, how much how many of money laundering, how many of the illegal activities, I mean, there are so much illegal activities that are being done using a certain particular fiat currency for the last 200 years. So does it mean that this currency, which is supposed to be open and supposed to be popular, will not be subjected to or will not be used as a means to do illegal things? No, it has been done for the last 200 years. So is Bitcoin going to be, and has been. And what about high privacy coin? I mean, they are already using this for this kind of purpose. So I, how I look at this kind of things issue is that it's just an excuse. Tax is probably the main reason why. Oh, because I can't pick into your wallet, so I don't know how much I can tax from you. So if I tax you this much, I don't know whether it's justifiable. So at the end of the day, like what Richard mentions earlier, is all about whether they are able to tax this particular account or not. Yeah, they
yeah
can tax US dollar account all the time, but US dollar is still being used for a lot of, you watch enough movies. Yeah, so so it all boils down to being whether this coin is being able to, or rather is easily taxable. If it is not easily taxable, it doesn't mean they can't tax. It just means they have to spend more energy to go and find the information that they need, and then they tax these particular people who are holding high privacy coin. That's all. It
yeah
just means that they they have to go through it's just like you're playing a computer game. There's no shortcut. You have to go through a lot of stages to hit the boss.
Yeah, that's right. That's why that's the reason why we focus on the privacy coin, because in the future, so many people, people will think about the privacy.
Yeah.
To get rid of many hacker, or to get rid of many
Yeah.
curious eye, look into your own transaction, your own wallet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So let me add. Um, uh, when you have some when your coins or your assets are private, means nobody knows. So it's less likely that they'll come and steal whatever you have, in comparison to something that is known out there. Oh, this Mr. A has 10 million cash in his under his pillow or in his safe. So whoever wants to steal, go and steal. Of course, yeah, this happens only in the movie, but this is why people go and rob and steal, because in their mind they didn't just assume, they know that these guys are rich, and they if they can do something to circumvent the security system, and then they can steal the cash away. But if they do not know how much these guys have, they might be wasting effort to do that. They might be wasting time to do that. So they are less likely to come and steal. And if it is too secure, they'll just walk away.
Yeah, that's right. Look like you have one of the you have one of the safe, and that is privacy. So the bad guy, the bad actor cannot they can't know how much money inside your safe, so they will get away. Example, if we look into this address, we see, oh, this address have a lot of crypto, a lot of money, so they will try the best to hack into this address.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if
Now,
they
now that I know this address have what, 4 billion, is it 4 billion worth of US dollar worth of BTC?
example, if they see to this address, they don't know how much money have in this address. This
Yeah.
is still address, so they will give up to hack into this address, because maybe inside this address have only 0.0005 SMB, so they will give up. Yeah.
After hacking, what? There's only 10 cents here?
Yeah. After
waste
they
my waste my
after they
petrol, waste
spend
my strength.
after they spend a year to decrypt the address, so they will give up. So they can spend more time to get the private key of the address, so they can earn a lot. Yeah, that is a total question, because when I see
Yeah.
when I hear the time to spend to hack into one of the address based on the public keys, you take from 40 to more than 100 years. Yeah,
Wow.
to decrypt, to encrypt the address from some of the public key. Yeah, it takes a
Yeah.
lot of time. So for more secure, after 10 years or 30 years, you will feel, if you feel bored with your address, you can change to your new address. So
Yeah. One more thing to add to this, because a typical computer would take like what, 10 years just to break this thing or break into this wallet. But the thing is, if they want to do it faster, they have to build a super a higher power computer, or maybe a quantum computer to try to break it. But they are going to spend a lot of money to build this computer to break it. So it just doesn't make sense for them if they have to spend 100 million to to break into a wallet that holds only 10 million. It's a waste of time.
Yeah, that's right. And then CIF, right? Okay, see you.
T.e.g.r.a.m.
Bye bye.